In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region in the Amazon app. By the end, your app will show the store, language, and currency from the region you pick. Start by opening the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the familiar home screen with search at the top and icons along the bottom. If the app asks to update, let that finish first so the menus match what you see in this video. Once the app is open, sign into your Amazon account. Enter your email and password, then continue. After signing in, the home screen will show personalized suggestions, recent searches, and your name near the top. Your account stays the same worldwide, so you do not need a new login for a different region. Now tap the profile icon, which looks like a small person, at the bottom of the screen. This opens your account area. Here you will see sections such as your orders, your lists, and your account settings. If you accidentally tap a product or something else, just use the back button to return and tap the profile icon again. With the profile screen open, look to the upper right corner and tap the small country flag. The flag shows which marketplace you are currently browsing, such as a United States or United Kingdom flag. When you tap it, a region and language panel or page will appear, showing your current selection. Next, select country or region from this panel. This takes you to a list of available Amazon marketplaces. On this screen, you might also see a short description explaining that the region controls which store you browse and which deals you see. Now choose the country or Amazon marketplace you want, for example, United States, United Kingdom, Japan, or Germany. After you tap a country, it should highlight or show a check mark. A useful detail here is that some regions have separate marketplaces even if they share a language, so always pick the exact country where you want to browse. If it is available for that region, choose your preferred language and currency. You may see several language options, like English or another local language, and different currency choices. Changing the language affects menus and product details where translations exist, while currency changes how prices are displayed, not your actual bank account currency. Take a moment to pick the combination that matches how you like to shop. When everything looks right, tap Done or Continue. The app will briefly reload, and you may see a loading spinner. After that, the home screen will return, but you will notice the region flag changed, prices now show in the new currency, and recommendations reflect the new marketplace. You have now changed your browsing region in the Amazon Shopping app so the store, language, and currency match the country you selected. If this helped you shop in the right Amazon store, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and subscribe if you want more clear app walkthroughs like this.